Every person possesses unique qualities that set them apart from others. Today, Sir Adnan, our teacher, decided to join us in a cricket game right after his lesson, demonstrating his versatility and kindness. His students admired him not only for his knowledge, but also for his humility and dedication in all aspects of life, showing that true qualities shine beyond just academic brilliance. The following day, Sir Adnan sought to learn more about himself and asked the children about his qualities, reminding us that everyone has strengths and areas to improve. The children unanimously agreed that Sir Adnan was one of the best teachers in the world, highlighting qualities such as kindness, patience, and moral integrity. Then he asked whether he was a good cricketer, prompting the children to reflect that qualities such as humility and sportsmanship are just as important as skills on the field. His students understood that true greatness lies in character and how one treats others, not just in achievements or skills. This story teaches us that everyone has different qualities, and true leaders are those who use their kindness and humility to inspire others. "Sir, you are a failure in this." "Sir," said patiently after hearing his answer, "I deliberately lost so that I could see the happiness on all of you faces. We should sometimes do something for the happiness of others." The purpose of this was to tell that no one is perfect in this world. Everyone is incomplete because everyone has their own shortcomings along with their good qualities. We are the best of creation, and this is the requirement of humanity. All the children had understood Sir's words, and they promised Sir that they would become good people and would never hurt anyone. One day, some guests came to Ahmed's house. His elder brother asked him to bring a cold drink, and at the same time asked him to break some ice in it. As Ahmed tried to break the ice, he remembered Sir's words about imperfection and kindness. Understanding that small acts can bring happiness even in simple things like sharing a drink. Ahmed learned that taking responsibility and doing small acts with care can make a difference, reinforcing the idea that kindness and effort define true. Ahmed's brother was deprived of his right hand. When Ahmed realized why his elder brother was calling him Snow, he wrapped the snow in a cloth and threw it against the wall. When the snow broke, his brother started laughing, saying that you don't even know how to break the snow. Ahmed's mother asked him, "Why did you break the snow by throwing it against the wall?" "Brother is deprived of his right hand. I just wanted to make it clear to him that the work that cannot be done with the right hand is done with the left hand." On hearing this, tears came to his mother's eyes, and she congratulated him. Both of them were unaware that Ali, who was standing outside, had heard everything. He thought that now he would not make fun of Ahmed, but would become a light for others like his younger brother. Friends, if any of you are suffering from any deprivation, instead of being disappointed, he should use this deprivation and never lose hope, because every human being has different qualities from others.